Good morning to all. Now we are coming for the next topic, integrals of the form. Here two formulas, integrals of the formula, two forms, exponential function and trigonometrical function. Integral e power ax sin bx இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்மளோட formula e power ax divided by a square plus b squared a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Second part, integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. சரி, இந்த ஃபார்முலா எப்படி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா எக்ஸைஸ் 11.8ல் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சம் நம்மளோட ஃபார்முலாவோட டெரிவேஷன் தான். மிஸ் இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலாவோட டெரிவேஷனை டெரிவ் பண்ணி காமிக்க போகிறேன். மற்றபடி சம்மு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா டேரெக்டாக ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணி நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணால் போதும். ஸோ திஸ் அலோன் will be a biggest problem. I can have this I is equal to u db எடுப்போமா, ஐலேட் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஐலேட் is nothing but exponential function, trigonometric function. So u is equal to cos bx, dv is equal to e power ax dx. Am I right? Now what is our du? Du is nothing but minus sin bx, bx ஓட differentiation b into dx. அடுத்து integrate பண்ணலாமா, b is equal to e power ax divided by a. So applying integration by parts, that is u dv is equal to u v minus integral v du. So what is the answer for this? So u dv integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to my u v is nothing but u v. So e power ax cos bx divided by a minus integral v du. My v is e power ax divided by a. So here du value is again one minus, so minus into minus plus b sin bx dx. Am I right? Okay. Now we can take the constant term outside. So integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to e power ax cos bx divided by a plus b by a integral e power ax sin bx dx. Once again I can use the integration by parts and I can take this to be I1. So I1 is equal to integral of e power ax sin bx dx. So what is my answer here? Again u is equal to sin bx and dv is equal to e power ax dx. So u du is equal to b cos bx and integrate this, b is equal to e power ax divided by a. Now substitute here integral e power ax sin bx dx is equal to u v. So my answer is e power ax sin bx divided by a. Next one, minus integral b du e power ax by a b cos bx. Am I right? B cos bx into dx. Here dx is left out. So into dx. Now substitute in this equation integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to e power ax cos bx divided by a plus b by a into, substitute this value e power ax sin bx by a minus integral e power ax divided by a into b cos bx dx. So I can multiply this b by a inside e power ax cos bx divided by a. So which is plus b by a squared e power ax sin bx. b by a will be outside, minus b squared by a squared integral e power ax cos bx dx. So this side, our left hand side is e power ax cos bx dx. So both the one is equal, so we can bring this to this side. So my answer will be integral e power ax cos bx dx plus b squared by a squared integral e power ax cos bx dx is equal to what are the common things we can take it outside? E power ax common and by a is common. So our answer is 1a is missing there. So a cos bx plus b sin bx. So this side we got the answer. So I can take a common integral outside. So my answer is integral e power x cos bx dx. So what will be our answer? 1 we have taken fully and plus b squared by a squared is equal to e power ax by a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now I can take the LCM for this. So integral e power ax cos bx dx. So our LCM is a squared plus b squared divided by a squared is equal to e power ax divided by a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now I can cancel 1a to this side. So integral e power ax cos bx into dx is equal to, bring a to the numerator. So it is equal to a into, so I have left out 1a, where we have left out, sorry. Here I have taken the common LCM as a outside. So here it is, sorry, a squared we have to take it outside. Then only it will becomes as 1 by a, and here a squared. Sorry, I have left out here. So it is a squared. So we can cancel both a squared. So bring this to the numerator. Our answer will be e power ax a square plus b square this. So e power ax divided by a square plus b square. Bring it to the denominator into cross multiply a cos bx plus b sin bx. So that is our formula for this sum. So exam point of view a b மட்டும் வச்சு கேட்டாங்கன்னா சம் இந்த தியரி பார்ட்டை நம்ம அப்படியே செய்யணும். ஓகே, பட் இட் இஸ் ஈஸி கான்செப்ட். 2 தடவை இன்டகிரேஷன் பை பார்ட்ஸ் எடுத்தோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து. நவ் வி கேன் பாஸ் ஆன் டு தி நெக்ஸ்ட் சம்.